Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R340 server. In this video we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R340 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything in this video useful, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This is going to be one of the quickest videos in our R340 series. It's going to be about power supplies, and we're going to show you the different types of power supplies, which there's really only two. It is the 350 watt and the 550 watt, and we'll show you a close-up here in a second of them. The one thing that I would point out that's important is you need to make sure that both of them are the same wattage. You can't put two different ones in or you'll run into some issues and blow. So you need to make sure you have two 350s or two 550s. Outside that, we're going to show you how to install them, but it's incredibly simple since they're a hot swap power supply, and you just click it or you just pull the clip and you pull it out, and we'll show you exactly how to do that, and you can do it while the system is running. So overall, like I said, it's going to be a pretty quick video. Let's show you the different types. All right, so I laid out the two options for you, your 350 and your 550. And again, these are your only options. It's pretty simple overall. What is normally predominant is going to actually be the 350, but the 550 is a great option as well. And I will note these are actually the same power supplies that you use in the R440. So if you're using 340s and 440s in your data center, and for some reason you're in a pinch, you might be able to steal one from one of your 440s if you need. So just throwing that out there. Now we're going to show you how to install them, and again, it's a super easy install because they're hot swap. Let's get going. All right, so now we're going to show you how to install one, and one thing I will note, we do have two in there right now. If you only have one, this is a great little piece that you can use that is good for airflow and preventing just junk and dust from getting inside. So if you don't have a second one, definitely have this installed. So let's show you how easy it is to remove one. So you're just going to pull this out, so just push this in and then hook your finger right here and pull this out. So currently there are two 350s inside, as you can see. So right now I have a 550 and a 350, and we want to make sure they match, so we're going to put in another 350. Now, if I was upgrading, I would just remove them both and put in two 550s, but if you're replacing a bad one, again, make sure you match your wattage. And I'll show you again just how easy it is. I mean, you literally just slide this in, clicks into place. It's a very, very simple upgrade, and again, why it's such a quick video. So that's all you need to do to install a new one. If you need any, please email our sales team, or if you need a custom built R340 or any other Dell server, HP, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, AMD Ryzen, AMD EPYC, Intel Scalable, we build it all. We'd love the opportunity to earn your home lab or your data center's business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. And hey, if you made it this far, click that like and smash that subscribe. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.